This is my nigga rig. True though, from definition, this is what it is. I got me a 5,000 watt consistent watt generator under a tarp. I had a guy make this tarp for me for the weather. He charged me like $40 to make this tarp for me. And I designed my own cart that can carry my flux core machine and my stick and TIG machine. And then I hooked me up a little extension cord pulley over there that I can actually have. I try to keep at least close to 100-foot extension cord, and I think that's like 30, and then I got another 50-foot of cord inside the truck. But this is like my small setup as of now. But with just this small setup right here that you're seeing, I can go get money. Now, the rest of my little mobile setup, I got it in the back of the truck for right now. So